Now, the Lord of peace himself give you peace always by all means. The Lord be with you all. 2 Thessalonians chapter 3 verses 16. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today, I'm here to share my childhood favorite soup ever. This was my grandma's favorite that has really impacted our life in so many ways. We loved our palmnut soup. We did also enjoy our bean stew. And as for someone who grew up in Obuasi, I have a great obsession for rice and soup. So this is a killer combo and I want you to all try it, especially to my Obuasianos and to all my Adansi people. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. So I've got my ingredients here. The main man of the show is my black-eyed beans. I have some beef. I do have some momone and some salmon head, lots of vegetables, and my palm nut base. I've listed each and every ingredient below in the description box. First thing first, it's important to wash your beans very well. Soak it even overnight if you have the chance, and then go ahead and put them in your pot. Add lots of water and boil this until very nice and soft. You want to go ahead and stir it just so that you have enough water everywhere. And in between, you want to go ahead and check it because it really dries out very quick. Beans really need lots of water for it to cook thoroughly. So I cooked this for about 40 minutes. So I ended up checking up on it every 15 minutes and added extra water until I got the preferred texture that I was looking for. So once that is cooking, I also went ahead to blend my ginger, onions, and 1 habanero pepper, which is going to help me marinate my beef today. This is all the seasoning that I'm going to use today. And so in my pot, I added my beef and then added my blended ingredients and added some salt to season. I'm going to now go ahead and check up on my beans. I know by now it is ready, so I'm going to set it aside and I'll begin to steam my meat. All right, this is so amazing. Follow the simple steps and you're going to really enjoy your beans in a very different way. So I'm going to steam my meat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is really tough. I'm using the veins that is into it, so it really takes a long time for it to cook. So I'm just going to stir it and check up on it before it start burning. I'm going to leave it for it to do its own thing while I go ahead and prep my palm nut base. This recipe just has the simple, easy steps of making your palm nut soup, so nothing very difficult at all. I'm going to add a very hot water to this palm nut base and make sure I stir it until everything is very nice and uniform, and I'm going to allow it to sit and settle for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Cover it and allow it to sit. All right, so while that is being taken care of, I'm going to go ahead and check on my meat. It's doing amazing. I'm going to add just a tablespoon and half of tomato puree, add a little bit of water, and then my palm nut base is ready to be added here. I'm going to make sure I do not pour everything at once because you can see a little bit of stone settled on the bottom. It is very important. So I'm going to give it a good stir and just add my Lucas bean, that is dawa to give it that umami flavor, just that aroma, really important here. And I'm now going to go ahead, cover it and allow it to bubble up and boil for the next 10 minutes. You can see a beautiful settle of oil on top. That's what we love. It's not all the way cooked yet, so I'm going to go ahead and bless it with extra vegetables, extra habanero pepper and onions. I'm going to go ahead, Allow this to cook for the next 5 to 10 minutes or until the vegetables are very nice and soft and ready to be blended. I also added my fish head, which is very optional. I had it in the freezer for a long time, so I just decided to add it here. You don't have to add the fish head if you do not like it, okay? So now my vegetables are nice and soft, so I'm going to put them in a blender, add a little bit of water and blend until they're very nice and smooth. Just look at that thickness of your abenkwai. It's so amazing. I'm going to add the blended ingredients, cover it and allow it to cook for the next 5 minutes. Just look at that. The beauty of this soup is just amazing. And the thickness is exactly what you should be going for. Now it's time for me to add my very nicely cooked and soft beans to this. And oh boy, this combo is crazy. If you've never tried making your beans this way, please try it and you are going to absolutely love it. All my Obuasi people, my Adansi people would testify that this woman who was really very popular back in the days where I used to live in Obuasi, like the queue for people to buy their rice and soup made this way was crazy. It is amazing. This brings so much lovely childhood memories and it's just so amazing. All that I had to do is taste for salt and I adjusted to this and voila, I allowed this to simmer for the next 10 minutes and just have a look at this, fam. Have a look at this. It is just incredibly delicious. Oh my goodness. This can be paired with your emotu. Yes, you can. And you can definitely pair this with your boiled yam. So good. Even your bangkun can be served with this. But the most favorite pair is to pair this with your rice. This type of beans with rice just will make your day. It is so delicious and it is amazingly nutritious. This is how my grandma used to make it and held the whole family down for many years. This is absolutely incredible. I remember we paired this with some kinky as well and it was just incredible. We used to eat this with everything, almost everything apart from fufu, and it was an instant hit. Yes, darlings, there you have it. I hope that you enjoy this and you're going to give it a try. And if you do, let me know in the comment section and also tag all your Obuasianos and let them enjoy this amazing view. I know they will love it. Share with your free friends and family and do not forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos. So darling, all that you have to do is come on board. All right, come on board and please subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful, so unique, just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.